Hi, I'm Rebecca, and welcome back to the Home Solutions channel. Today, we're shedding some light on a common dilemma, choosing between vertical and horizontal blinds. If you're feeling stuck, don't worry. We're here to help you make the right decision for your home. Let's get into it. Horizontal blinds. First up, let's talk about horizontal blinds, also known as Venetian blinds. These beauties have horizontal slats that can be tilted to control the amount of light in a room. Made from wood, metal, or PVC, they come in a range of colors to suit any decor. Horizontal blinds are perfect for standard-sized windows, especially those that are taller than they are wide. Benefits of horizontal blinds. The versatility of horizontal blinds is one of their main advantages. You can adjust the slats to let in just the right amount of light or close them completely for privacy. Plus, they're easy to clean and maintain, making them a favorite for busy homeowners. Vertical blinds. Now, let's talk about vertical blinds. These stylish window treatments are a fantastic option for adding style, privacy, and light control to any room. Similar to horizontal blinds, the slats can be tilted to control light. They're made from fabric, vinyl, or PVC and are available in a variety of colors and textures. Vertical blinds are perfect for wider windows like sliding glass doors or floor-to-ceiling windows. Benefits of vertical blinds. One of the great advantages of vertical blinds is their ability to cover larger areas. They're also easy to operate using a simple wand or cord to control the slats. And let's not forget the touch of elegance they can add to your home with their material and pattern options. Choosing the right blind for you. So, which one is right for you? It all depends on the size and shape of your windows and your personal preferences. If you have standard-sized windows, horizontal blinds might be the perfect fit, offering excellent light control and easy maintenance. But for wider windows like sliding glass doors, vertical blinds could be the way to go, as they can cover the entire window and are a breeze to operate. Your home style is also a crucial consideration. Horizontal blinds tend to lean more traditional, while vertical blinds can bring a modern touch and elegance to your decor. So both vertical and horizontal blinds have their advantages, but the choice comes down to your window size, home style, and personal preferences. Now that we've compared horizontal and vertical blinds, you might be wondering how much your new blinds will cost. To help you out, make sure to check out the video linked above where we share how much window treatments could cost you in the San Antonio area. Thank you for stopping by the Home Solutions channel, where we want you to have the look you love coming home to.